Hello, good morning everyone. I'm Surendra teaching biology. Now today I'm going to explain the change in chromosomal number. Last we are discussing about the mutation. Now mutation are generally which shows spontaneous changes in the next generation, and it was first discovered by, or the term mutation was given by Hugo de Vries. Now how these mutations takes place? So there are some changes in the number in the chromosomes or variations in the chromosome. So the topic is changes in chromosomal number. Today I am give some technical terms how this chromosome get changed. Each species having a specific type of chromosome number, but due to variation or numerical changes in the chromosome, that is called uh, mutation, or you can say due to these characters mutations takes place. Now the chromosomal number change are categorized as that is euploid, and second one is aneuploid. Basically the changes in the number of the chromosome or variation, or you can say numerical change. Numerical change also termed as heteroploidy, that is called heteroploid. It means the variation in the number of chromosome, may be diploid, may be triploid, may be tetraploid, may be polyploid. These are the technical terms for the change in the number. Now first of all, euploid. Euploid term is applied by organisms with chromosome that are multiples of some basic number. Again, the term euploid is applied by organism with chromosome that are multiplies of some basic number. Now on this basis, this euploid categorized as monoploid, diploid, or that is polyploid, triploid, and tetraploid. Now, number one, monoploid. We know about each and every cell having a specific number of the chromosome, and if a cell having only a single set of chromosome, that is called haploid. Now only one set of chromosome, monoploid means only one set of chromosome, only one set, या single set की बात हो, only one set of chromosome with a single genome, with a single genome. This monoploid condition are rare in animals, right? Listen, this monoploid condition is rare in animal. Yes, no doubt, all the gametic cells are the monoploid, means they are haploid in nature. One is the exceptional case which generally asked in NEET for the example of monoploid regarding the animals, that is male honeybee. Male honey bee, right? So this is the exceptional case for the monoploidal condition, but it is rare in animals but represented by gametes. It is clear. Second is diploid. Diploid condition means diploid condition. The common chromosome number in the somatic cells of plant as well as animal. Again, the common chromosome number, the common chromosome number in the somatic cells of plant and animals, right? It is well known that all the living organisms, they having the basically two type of the cells, that is somatic cells as well as generative cell. The somatic cell shows mitotic division, where the generative cell shows meiosis. And in the somatic cell, the parental somatic cell get divided mitotically and form two daughter cells, but the number of chromosome just like their parental cell. Where in the generative cell, meiosis takes place, and meiosis are of two types, that is meiosis first and second. In the meiosis 1, that is reducing number of the chromosome, that is reduction division. Now in the reduction division, the haploid cells are formed, that is monoploidal condition. But this condition is only applicable for the somatic cells which contain a set or complete set of the chromosome that is diploid in nature. Third one is polyploid. Polyploid, the term polyploid was introduced first E. Strasburger in 1910. Again, the term polyploid given by Strasburger in 1910, right? And this one important for NEET also. So it is again important, the term polyploid given by Strasburger in 1910. Now poly means that this term can be applied to any cell with more than 2n chromosome, means when the number of chromosomes more than 2n, that condition is called polyploid. And the most common example for polyploid, that is bread wheat. And another example is also there, that is the strawberry also shows the condition of polyploid. Now bread wheat is hexaploid. Hexaploid means 6n condition, right? This is the diploid, but in the polyploid condition, when the set of chromosome more than 2, that condition is polyploid. Now bread wheat is hexaploid. Second, you well known that strawberry, that is, second example is strawberries. Strawberries, that is octaploid. Octaploid, 8n condition, right? This is 6n and that is the 8n condition. Fourth one, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Fourth one is triploidy. 3 set of chromosomes. Be careful. 3 sets of chromosome like 3n. Now, that is the most common example you observe in the previous chapter, that is reproduction in flowering plant. The condition in the trigamy cell in the endosperm. That is known as triploidy. Now, this is only when a haploid number of cell, when it crossed with diploid number of cell, then it form 3n. The most common example, like a gametic cell, a gamete